Welcome back. Srimad Vidyadhiraj Tir Shripad Vader Swami of Sri Samstha Gokarn Partagadi Jivatham Mat and Srimad Shivanand Saraswati Swami of Sri Samstha Gaudapadacharya Kaure Mat blessed the ongoing centenary celebrations of the Mushti Fund Samstha by visiting the Samstha.
या संस्थेचा उत्तरोत्तर अभिवृद्धी जावो आणि ही आता 100 वर्ष पूर्ण झाले असा आणि ही मुखार 100 वर्षांच्या हांगा संस्थेचा भरभराट जायत रावो म्हणून आम्ही देवगुरुशने प्रार्थना करतात. त्याचबरोबर मी सर्व शिष्यवर्ग हांगा जमिल्ले आसा तुमकांय हनुमान सरची सद्बुद्धी सद्विचार सत्प्रेरणा प्राप्त करो की जेणेकरून तुम्हा सर्वांचे कल्याण करते हे सांगून सगळ्यांका आशीर्वाद करतात.
The Partagadi Mat Swami, speaking on the occasion, said that quality education is very important for the younger generation. He also said that for a successful life, a person has to be gentle in his approach towards life.
चांगले भविष्य लाभो देवसंधी देवतांनी प्रार्थना करीत सगळ्यांकरी सदा सुख संतोष क्षेमाभिवृद्धी जीवनात आनंद असे पणजीचे शहराची अधिदैवत महालक्ष्मी तिगे संधी तिगे चरणी प्रार्थना करीत आमगेला आशीर्वाद करत भाषणाचो समारोप करीत.
Expressing his contentment at the ongoing centenary celebrations of the institution, the Kaure Mat Swami said, "Only education can make an individual well cultured and praise him socially at all levels of life."
सर्वांका आनंद सुख प्राप्त जावं जाय म्हणून या प्रभूच्या जगात विविध सुधारणा जाल्ली आसा. तातूंतही मनुष्य प्राणी म्हणून आमी म्हणले परंतु मनुष्य प्राणी जरी असले तरी सुद्धा ताका जर मनुष्यत्व म्हणल्यार हांव कोण म्हणजे कर्तव्य कितें आणि मनुष्य म्हणटाना इतर प्राण्यांप्रमाणे ना तर कित्याक म्हणल्यार त्या मानवांतच ही शक्ती आसा तर कितें म्हणल्यार ज्ञान प्राप्त करचें ज्ञान संपादन करचें आणि त्याप्रमाणे चलचें जीवन चलोवचें.
Adding to this, Kaure Mat Swami said that education could never be divided but multiplied by sharing it with more people. He sadly expressed that the Western culture is taking over the unique Indian culture and that we need to focus on our culture and take it ahead for the future generations.
हे धन असे आसा की जे धन विद्यारूपी धन हे कोणीही चोरी करून करू शकना किंवा राजा ताचे हरण करू शकना. जसे आजकाल सरकार टॅक्स म्हणून कर म्हणून जे आम्ही किती संपादन करता ताचे अमुक टक्के कर म्हणून आमकां सरकाराक भरचे पडटा तशी विद्येक टॅक्स ना. विद्या आम्ही कितलीही आम्ही ग्रहण केली तरी सुद्धा आम्ही ताजो टॅक्स आमकां संपादन केले तरी ताजो आमकां टॅक्स भरचो पडना. नंबर हे जमिनी आसा त्या जमिनीचे भावाभावान वांटणी जाता तशी विद्येची आणि धार्मिक शिक्षण दिवचे सुद्धा हे अत्यंत गरजेचे आसा. कारण आज आमी पळयत आसा जगान इतली सुदारणा जाल्ली आसा परंतु मनुष्याक खरें सुख म्हणा समाधान म्हणा स्थिरता म्हणा कारण कित्याक म्हणल्यार नैतिकता ना धार्मिक शिक्षण आसा.
Earlier, both Swamis arrived with a musical band and slogans. They visited the Mahalakshmi temple where the people received blessings from them. An idol of Devi Saraswati was unveiled and garlanded by both the Swamis, followed by Padya Puja performed by Mr. Anil Kaunte, the president of the Mushti Fund Samstha and others. Interestingly, during the year 1922, Kaivalyapur Mathadipati Srimad Purnanand Saraswati Swami had visited the Mushti Fund Samstha, and almost a century later, two revered Swamis have visited the educational institute. The president of the Partagadi Mat Swami, Mr. Srinivas Dempo, and other dignitaries were also present on the occasion. Anil Olga Productions, Aldona, presented Ghao Tukha Duk Makha, the Khel Theatre, at the Kala Academy recently. Ghao Tukha Duk Makha is written by Mr. Anil Pednekar and directed by Olga Vaz with a band troupe of Mr. A.D. Diniz. The story is based on a family where the congested-minded husband blames his wife for being sterile by disclosing false report, but is actually in love with another woman. The real tragedy starts when the husband asks for a divorce from his wife. Upon this, the wife challenges her husband and proves herself in court. On the last day of the Khel Theatre Festival, Menin the Bandar Productions presented Tikle, and it is written and directed by Menin the Bandar. As the title suggests, the play revolves around the superstitious beliefs that the sister born after 3 brothers brings bad luck to the family. When it comes to marriage, the family hides the truth from the groom's family, and one day the husband finds a photo which creates a misunderstanding between the two. Thereafter, the husband leaves her in her matrimonial home and approaches a lawyer for the divorce formalities, and there he comes to know the truth. Finally, he convinces his mother with the help of his younger brother and happily brings back home his wife. That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Government files review petition on SEZ issues. Kandoli Citizens Forum demand discussion on mega projects at the Gram Sabha. State Cabinet clears various schemes related to education. BJP unhappy with the reduction of the upcoming monsoon assembly session. Vasco Housing Board faces sanitation problems. We'll be back with more news and analysis for you. Until then, have a great weekend.